Hi everybody, this is Andy. Bow ties are cool. Thanks for joining me this morning at 10:30 for our stretchy space-time simulator demonstration. I challenged you to make your own, and I'm going to show you one that I made. Here it is. It's just plastic wrap on a big bowl, but it works really well, and I'll show you. Alright, there it is. And if you place a marble in it, boop, well, it'll bend down wherever you place the marble. So if you place the marble in the middle, and then put another marble in there and try to get it to orbit, it will curve back and come toward the first marble. Get another marble in there. So yeah, it works pretty well. I'll show you the parts of it. This isn't the only way that you can make one of these. All I did was I took some plastic wrap, enough plastic wrap to cover this bowl, and I made sure that it was reasonably tight by taping it to the bottom of the bowl, like so. Not too tight, but not too loose either, just so it can bend down and allow other marbles to go in and move around. Nice. And that's it. So I want to see your design, so keep sharing, keep posting, and don't forget to come back tomorrow. We have another awesome science demonstration for you, all about centripetal force. So don't miss it. That's it. That's all from me. So see you next time, and stay curious.